I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding funds to your Square app can be a bit tricky if you're not familiar with the process. Here is a straightforward guide to help you out. Step 1. Open the Square app. Launch the Square app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to the Balance section. Once you're in the app, look for the Balance or Funds section, usually found in the main menu. Tap on it to proceed. Step 3. Select Add Funds. In the Balance section, find and select the Add Funds option. This will take you to the funding options available. Step 4. Choose your funding method. You will see different methods to add funds, such as linking a bank account or using a debit card. Select the one that suits you best. Step 5. Enter the amount and confirm. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the escrow.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. If you accidentally enter the wrong amount, you might have to start over, so take a moment to review your entry. I hope this guide helps you add funds easily to your Square app. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.